Hello there, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and happy new year to you all. Wishing you all a prosperous year ahead. This is the Bubu Gown I will be making tutorial on today. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're just joining us, kindly please subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and also turn your notification bell on. So today I'll be showing you all how to make this bubu dress. So first thing I will do, I'll go down by 1 inches, which is for the back neck depth, and also the shoulder to shoulder measurement, the 3 to 5 inches method. So then I'll go down here by 1 inches. So I won't be needing this 1 inches for the shoulder slope because I'll be extending the sleeve together with the bodice. So then I'm just using this as a guide to sketch out the neck line, which is the neck width. So I'll add extra half of an inch to this shoulder slope here. So I'll then connect it. That is why I had to bring out this 8 inches formula. So I hope you understand what I just did here. We'll just be going over this again. The first thing I did is taking the neck width of 3.5 inches, and then on the shoulder slope I added half of an inch to make it up with 4 inches. I hope you understand that now. So the next thing I'll do is taking the front neck depth. The neck depth I'll be using is 4 inches. You can go down if you wish to. So for the slit I will do 3 inches for now. So I will be adding extra 1 inches to make it 8 inches later on, but I'll just be using this for now. So I'll connect it now using my pattern master, and then I will extend this later on. You can see the way I did it. Now I will be connecting the sleeve together with the shoulder line together. Remember I said I will be cutting both the sleeve together with this, and that shoulder slope is just for a guide. So from here I have 13 inches, so I'll be using 1.5 inches for sewing allowance to close up the sleeve. So I'll then connect it now from this neck width. Earlier on I will connect it downwards to where the sleeve will be stopping. So you can see that the shoulder slope, I've extended it to where the sleeve is ending. So that's all about that. And then the shoulder line will be having a joining. So I'll go down here now by 11 inches. You can see that. So this 11 inches is for the sleeve opening, and then from that 11 inches I'll take the bust measurement, and then I'll be adding extra inches to it because this is a bubu dress. It's not really a fitted dress, so this is just a guide. Now after taking that, I'll take it straight down, which is from the sleeve opening. I'll take it straight down. That is just for a guide. Just pay attention as I go about this. This is like just you making a bubu, but in a bigger way, which will just be falling just the way you want. So here I'll take 2 inches downwards. You can see the way I took that 2 inches, and then this extra will just be these 2 inches I took is just, you can see I took another 2 inches downwards again. So I'll just be covering it from that armhole. You can see that. So you can see the way I'm doing it. So I'll curve it now to meet up with that other 2 inches before I start doing another measurement. So that is just how it is done. So you can either go straight like so, or you go like this. So I will be adding extra sewing allowance to it, and this will just be a guide for it. So you can see the sewing allowance now. So I'll just be going straight down from this side, and then I'll curve it like so. You can see the way I'm covering it. So after covering it, I'll extend it to meet with the edges like so. So this formula is just to give it shape. You can see you can either go straight down like so, or you do the formula you use the formula I'm using right now. So that's all about the sketching part. So I'll start by cutting up out the back neckline. notice I removed 1 inches from the front neck depth, and here is the facing I cut for the back, and already added interface to it. You can see it. So what I'll do now will be joining it together. I'll go to the machine and join this together. You can see the way it is. So I'll also be extending the, because I removed 1 inches from the neck depth for the front, so I'll be extending the slit also, so before joining everything together. So I'll come back and show you all the end results of it afterwards. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned one or two from this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. Subscribe and turn notification bell on. Don't forget to like this video and also share it with your loved ones, guys. Until I see you again in the next one, guys. Bye.